Hello everyone, welcome to GS Essentials. Today in this video, we are going to discuss one current affairs topic under science and technology, and that is, can AI be an antidote for AMR? Artificial intelligence, can it help us in tackling one of the most important health challenge of 21st century, and that is antimicrobial resistance? So let us discuss this particular topic. Firstly, we'll try to understand what exactly do we mean by antimicrobial resistance. So antimicrobial resistance, as you can see, is a kind of resistance developed by microbes against those drugs which were effective against them earlier, right? As you can see in this picture, this microbe is able to punch this particular drug, and that means it is a resistance of the microbe towards this particular drug. Now, as per the WHO, it is one of the top global public health threats. And in 2019, almost 1.27 million people lost their life due to reasons attributable to antimicrobial resistance. Now, how we can tackle the problems related to antimicrobial resistance? What is the solution? So there are a number of solutions related to antimicrobial resistance. For example, the most important solution is rational use of antimicrobial drugs. There is over and under use of medicines that we will have to avoid. There has to be use of medicines as per the prescription, especially antibiotic medicines. Second solution is to prevent the misuse of these drugs in animal husbandry. In animal husbandry sector, there is misuse of antimicrobial drugs in order to increase production. Especially antibiotic drugs are used on a large scale in animal husbandry. That we will have to prevent. Third important solution is to prevent infection itself. And in this, vaccination can help us. But the solution that we are talking about in this particular video is the development of new drugs. Development of new drugs will help us tackle the problems related to AMR. In this development of new drugs, how artificial intelligence can help us. So the first and the most important use of AI in this drug development is that it can help us search potential antibiotic agents. Now, what are antibiotic agents? Antibiotic agents are the chemicals produced by various microbes which can act as a antidote for other microbes, and that's why these kind of antibiotic agents can be used for the development of new antibiotic drugs. Their search can be streamlined based on the use of artificial intelligence. So that is one important help that AI can provide us in the development of new drugs against antimicrobial resistance. Second help that AI can provide us is it can help us predict protein folding. Now, protein folding is one of the major problems in structural biology, wherein scientists try to understand how a chain of amino acid would develop into a 3D structure of protein. And based on that 3D structure of protein, scientists would be able to understand how that protein would interact with drugs. Now, if AI can help us in the prediction of protein folding, then it would cut down the time that scientists need for understanding protein folding. And thus, it will help us develop new drugs in a short period of time. So, these are some of the important helps that AI can provide us in the development of new drugs. And in this context, there are some protein folding tools that have been developed in the recent past. So, those protein folding tools that are in use are: first is AlphaFold 3. This AlphaFold 3 is a protein folding tool developed by DeepMind. DeepMind is a subsidiary of Google, and in association with Isomorphic Labs, DeepMind has developed AlphaFold 3, which is the third version of their AI tool. And second tool is Rose TTD Fold All Atom, developed by the University of Washington. So you must remember at least AlphaFold 3 which is an important tool as far as protein folding problem is concerned. So these are the helps that we can get from AI for the development of new drugs, which can help us tackle the problems related to antimicrobial resistance. But at the same time, it is important to understand the challenges that may be posed by these AI tools. These AI tools, especially AlphaFold 3, has shown only 80% accuracy. And as a result of that, it might not be able to predict protein folding in a right manner. Secondly, these tools are not useful for preclinical and clinical trials of drugs development. And as a result of that, drug development will remain a lengthy process. Also, in case of insufficient training data, these AI tools may lead to incorrect or non existent predictions, and thus they might not aid in the development of new drugs which can help us tackle the problem related to AMR. But this is a positive development, and in future, this can help us come up with new drugs in a short period of time. So that is about our discussion of this video. If you have liked this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friend, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.